Each pack of ProSlip contains 3 lubricants. Why 3? The answer is simply that there are 3 lubrication points on a caliper, and the ProSlip way is to use the appropriate lubricant for each of those 3 lubrication points. There is no one single universal grease which responds to all of the lubrication requirements of those 3 lubrication points. The sliding caliper pin, the brake pad, and the point where the brake pad sits into the brake clips. 3 lubricants, 3 lubrication points on a caliper. You can't just slap one grease on all of them. Hence the ProSlip way, use 3 lubricants, and we've put them all in one pack so you don't have to go hunting them down individually.